Praise. You're such a wonderful person, you know. Dating you has been nothing short of amazing. You have made me the happiest man alive. Since I met you, you've been nothing short of amazing, and I'm glad for that. I really do love you.
I love you too, and you know that.
Thank you. You know, a time comes in a man's life when he's right to settle down. I know you and I have discussed marriage a couple of times.
So why are you like us to say what you want to say?
My family is mounting a lot of pressure on me.
Then tell them you're ready.
Of course they know I'm ready. It's the girl.
I'm ready too. I knew I was going to spend the rest of my life with you. That's why I accepted your ring.
Yeah, but that's the problem here. You're not the girl.
I don't understand.
My family does not approve of our marriage.
Your family does not approve? What do you mean by that, Ekene? You are the one to make the decision, Ekene.
It's not that simple. I'm an only son. And you know what that means in these parts. My mother and sisters have a huge stake in whatever and whoever I decide to spend the rest of my life with.
Do they?
Yes.
Do they?
Please. I love you honestly. You know that.
I've always known that it would come to this point. But I hope that one day you stand up as a man. But it's fine. You are your mama's boy. Yes.
I'm sorry.
Do you know what, Ekene? There's no problem. It's fine, Ekene. Let your mother look for a nice girl for you to get married to. I wish you a wonderful life.
Listen to me, praise, babe. Wait,
Why did you break up with her? You told me you were going to take her to your parents' home to see them.
We did that last week.
Then what happened?
My mom and sisters say that she's not suitable for me.
Oh, that's balderdash.
This is the third girl I'm bringing before my mother, and this is the third girl she's rejecting.
I don't understand. I take a girl home to see my mother, and she says I can't marry her. Oh, she has to give me a reason. And her reason has to be very cogent. Else I'll go ahead and do my thing. I'm the one to live with the girl, not her.
If it were only my mother I have to contend with, it would have been easier. But my sisters seem to be in league with her.
This is serious. I think we have to do something about this.
Yeah, we do. Because all my life, they have done nothing but lead me on like a dog on leash. I had to tell the poor girl to go ahead and move on with her life. I wouldn't have to keep her down because of my people.
I think sometimes it's good to take a firm stand. We have to do something about this.
So what's up? What do you think of the guy? I
think he's a nice guy. Like, for now, that's what I think.
For sure, he's a nice guy. You know what? He's been my friend before I met and even started dating James. He's a cool guy. You like him.
So, why doesn't he have a girlfriend?
Well, just like him, he's been in and out of relationships, just the way you behave.
You know that's not true. You don't just decide about a guy on your first date.
Okay. Why not we go this way? Let's go there and start up something. Have I ever introduced you to someone whose weight is not worth in gold? If I am not in a relationship with James and he asks me out, I will rush in and accept him without thinking twice because he's cute, he's rich, he's everything. Oh, let's go. Come on, say yes.
Sweetheart, can't this wait?
James, I can see that Ekene is drunk. And Doloma, my friend, likes him. Listen, forget about all that love song he's singing to her. Please, I do not want him to break her heart at all. Do you hear me?
Not to worry, okay? I assure you, if there's anything I see in his eyes, it's love. He's madly in love with her.
She was used to being drunk. Don't break my own heart.
Spare me. That's that.
Hello?
Hello.
How is the night?
You should be having a hangover right now. After you drank 5 bottles of beer.
Thinking about you has removed the hangover from my head.
You were. So you mean I'm now a hangover expeller?
I really had a great deal of fun last night.
Me too. I laughed so hard last night. As a matter of fact, my ribs still hurt. You know what? I think you should try comedy.
Wow, you're the reason for your aching ribs now. You know how that is, but I can be of help, you know.
Like what?
Like giving you a tender massage and soothing those nerves and veins and making you feel okay.
You have started again.
Okay, you know, I tell you what we'll do. Let me take you out for lunch today. I know a very good and quiet restaurant in town where we can go and talk.
That sounds interesting. Okay. I'm free this afternoon.
Don't eat anything at all because I intend to feed you fat today. You're skinny.
Hello. I thought most guys love skinny women.
Not someone like me who would want to have some flesh around. I don't want a skinny babe around me, so I'll be looking for her and be asking, baby, where are you? Where are you?
May God help you.
He has helped me already.
You know what? Looking at you, one wouldn't know how funny you are. You look so calm and quiet.
But I'm calm and quiet.
Oh, you're right. Tell that to the Marines.
Okay, when next I travel to the States, I'll do that.
Oh, God.
You know what? Text me your address. I'll pay you a visit, okay?
Yes, sir. I will.
Last night was very hazy for me. I was seeing trees.
Do have a lovely day. Bye.
You're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you.
Ekene,
Hello, isn't it?
are you home?
Yes.
Do you have food in the house?
No.
Okay, I want to go to Sister Daka's house, but I want to bring something for you, food for you. When I'm going, I'll just pass by your house and drop it. Hope you love some jollof rice. You're home. Are you not going to work today? Perfect. Cool. So just dress up before I come so that we just go together and play with our sister's kids. I don't get you. Any kids? They are your nieces and nephew. What do you mean by any kids? Really? Who is she? Ekene, if my brother is saying somebody, I want to know the person. Who is she? So I'll help you from making mistakes. You know you are women. Eh? Hello? Hello? Ekene? You will never learn.
Lovely place.
Yeah.
I haven't been to this place since I got into this town.
I have my ways.
Meaning you take too many women out?
What do you think?
What do you want me to think?
Well, I know James and Mabel must have told you a lot about me, but what I do not know is what exactly they told you about me. I'm just coming out from a breakup with my ex, and I'm not looking for someone to date at the moment. They told me a lot about you too. Yes, they told me you were beautiful, and it's evident.
And what didn't they tell you?
They didn't tell me you were this witty, exciting, and have a huge sense of humor, and I find that attractive in a woman.
It's okay. My turn now. Well, I'm equally coming out from a relationship of 2 years. And this is my way of trying to unwind.
What happened?
It wasn't just going anywhere.
So, how fast do you want this to go?
You are the man. The decision rests on you.
Do I take that to mean I'm at liberty to determine the pace and maybe pacing it a bit?
I am a woman who knows what she wants. That's it.
What do you want?
Figure that out yourself.
You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you.
So, how is work?
Work is fine.
There was something.
You know what else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you.
Such a lovely apartment you have here.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
This is lovely. You've got taste, I must say.
You can say that again.
It's cozy. I love it. I love everything. I love the furnitures. I love everything.
There's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you.
But standing where I am now, she's like a long memory.
When did you break up with her?
The answer will have to wait because I have something else on my mind.
And what do you have on your mind?
You just arrived, my place.
What else will do? You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You know
how's it going? Oh, how did it go? My ears are itching.
It went well.
Oh, I won't take that for an answer. I want a detailed answer. My ears are itching. Talk.
No? For a young man, you're very inquisitive.
I agree, but at the same time, tell me how it went.
Anyways, it went fine. I invited her over on Saturday. We went out, got back to the house, had fun, one thing led to the other, and it was nice.
You mean she spent the weekend in your place?
Mm-hmm. That girl is not just good in bed, she's fantastic as a person. She made sure she cleaned everything in my house, put everything in place, and left my house sparkling. Plus, she made me the best stew I ever ate in my life.
I thought as much. That's my man.
Yeah, bro. You're back. I'm your man.
Yes, that was what happened.
And?
What again? What do you want to know?
You guys made out, right?
We made love.
You did what?
Yes, we did. I mean, all through the weekend. We didn't even step out of the bedroom up until this morning he brought me back to school.
And what did your mom say?
My mom. I told her I came to your house.
Oh, thank God I didn't go to your house.
Hold on a second. You didn't get my text message.
I saw it this morning. Would James allow me to see the lights over the weekend? He wouldn't. Well, you should have at least called to let me know what was going on. He just blanked out, just like that.
Oh. EBELE, I really do not know what is happening to me.
What is happening to you?
I mean, I'm still thinking. How could I have jumped into bed with a man I'm just meeting on our first date? It's very unlike me, really. It's very unlike me.
And what could that be?
I don't know, but I feel lost when I'm around him. I feel like wrapping myself all over him. Could this be love?
So, what is it?
I can't tell, Andrew. One second.
I can hear, right?
Hello.
Hello, my princess. How is my princess doing today?
Very well, thank you. And how has your day been going?
I'm fine, just as work. Attending to the things I need to do. So.
Oh, please stop joking and do the job you're paid to do.
For real, I'm not joking. I'm serious. Mine is distracting.
Why?
Because I see your face everywhere. My computer screen, on the table, my telephone, on the files, everywhere. I look around, your face stares me right in my eyes.
Stop flattering me, please, please, please.
I'm not flattering you, honestly.
Make sure you get something. I don't want you getting hungry in that office of yours.
Okay, please, take a cab and come straight to my office so we'll go home together. Is that cool?
I'll do just that.
See ya.
Same here, I love you too.
Really? Babes, now you have the answer to your question. Someone is in love.
Yes, I'm in love. He makes me feel so special.
Wow. Okay, then you have to tell me what's going on. And you too. Let's go to lecture. Lover go.
Really? Let's go.
You don't look happy. What's wrong?
Nothing of importance.
Whether it's important or not, I'd like to know it, please.
You are too curious.
It is only the cat that it kills.
I was just wondering, what happened to your ex? Why did you guys break up? Just wondering why a girl would leave a man so sweet and loving like you.
Truth is, it wasn't her fault. You give me too much credit. I was the reason for the breakup.
Your fault? Is it that she wasn't good enough for you?
On the contrary, she was everything a man would ever ask for in a woman. We were already making arrangements, and I'll be traveling tomorrow.
To where?
To see my mother. It's been about a month I last saw her, and you know how it is when I haven't seen her in a while.
How do you expect me to cope without you over the weekend?
You're not coping without me. You're coming along with me.
I don't get you. What do you mean by that?
See, I think it's about time you met my family. You and I have been dating for a while now, so I think we should go see my mom, see my siblings. I guess you know where I come from.
I'm not going anywhere with you. You haven't said anything to me yet.
Anything like what? You see, honey, I've been waiting for a very special moment to do this. You know how it is. But on the second thoughts, I feel there is no moment more special than this time when we're both together. So let me humbly ask you to marry me. Please be my wife.
Again, I was only teasing you.
I'm serious. Please.
You know I'm going to marry you.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you so much, baby. Come here.
So beautiful. My God.
I love you so much, you know that. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. So are we going to the village together? Say yes.
Good evening.
Mama,
I am all right, Mana. If you got that arthritis, the thing is still affecting me. In short, the last time your sister was here, she bought me some medicine. Okay. Mana, the medicine is not helping the arthritis. If you give her an apatra, I want respect for any kind of medicine.
Don't worry, Mama. It will have respect now because I'm here.
Okay, I believe you. Good evening. You people are here. No. Let's go inside now.
Get Uzoma. I have some things in the boot.
I sent Uzoma to the market to buy some things for me to make soup. As if I knew you were coming.
Hey!
Nah, just yeah, no soup, enjoyment.
Go fit cheesy.
Alright.
Hey!
Come on, Neta.
Hello! Mama, I cannot wait.
If I was on my he'll bring out the things.
Okay.
You're going.
You're welcome to my place.
Anna!
Are we with Mangala?
Yes, you're Mangala.
What's up? Mama, we don't get them like this in the city.
That is why I always tell you to come home more often. Ejo? If you ain't literally fed fresh.
I knew it wouldn't be long before you went back to your very, very, very usual topic.
But you see, if you get married, at least your children and your wife will come and visit us while you keep busy. Okay?
No problem. That is why I have come with praise. Because I'll be getting married soon.
I was actually going to ask you who she is.
She's the girl I want to marry, Mama. What is it?
I didn't say anything. Oh.
Okay.
Where is she from?
Akonibo. She's from Amarako. Owere.
Owere?
Yes.
I don't attack granite.
Autorita.
Okay. What does she do?
Mama, this girl in Enanya is the marketing manager of one of the biggest hotels in the city. What do you think about it?
Omaka.
Omoalwaka.
Yeah.
Na lolo.
Na hotel. Manager, hotel, city.
I'm a Kuyamao. I'm a man at that hotel.
I'm sure, you know I like you.
I like you. Yeah.
And I'm sure a lot of people like you too.
Yes.
Then I've been at the hotel like you, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I got mall. When you're not in a hotel now, mall. I will put you kwaja mall. No, ma'am. You're welcome. I like you very much. Imolo. Imolo Hotel.
She know this, she know that. As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only.
Hi. Hey, love. How are you?
I'm fine, baby. How you doing?
I'm fine. How have you been?
Fine. Your mom is such a peaceful person.
Yeah, she is.
And she has a sense of humor.
Yeah, you can say that again. I'm glad you like her, and she likes you too. Honey, you know you'll be staying alone in this room tonight, are you?
I know, I understand.
I'll be sleeping in the next room, just the next door. That used to be my elder sister's room before she got married. I don't think anybody has used it since she moved into her husband's house. But in any case, if there's anything you need, just let me know and you'll have it, okay?
Okay, baby, I'm very comfortable. Besides, this is going to be my husband's house.
Yeah, right. Take care of yourself, okay? I miss you. Miss you.
I miss you already.
Okay, baby. See you in the morning.
Okay.
Alright, take care of you. Bye-bye.
Our love got a flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. Our love got a flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she
You're awake already. Morning. How was your night?
It was fine, yes.
Mine was good. I had fun. I was just... Mama, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you?
Nah, I am fine. And I slept very well.
Oh, good.
Alarum can do a bomb, see alarum. It's sweet.
Mama, how is Uzoma? Where is he?
Uzoma? Okay, Uzoma. He's at the backyard.
Oh, fine. I want him to boil me some water to take my bed.
Boil you some water?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, for you?
For me.
Okay. It's alright. He will boil for you.
At the backyard?
What you can...
I can't connect his hair back. When I'm coming, eh? Alright.
I'm passing. When somebody is passing, you hold on. Did they teach you? See, let me tell you something. When somebody is passing, you wait. Eh? Sorry. Do you know how to boil water?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I was wondering. You boil water in the hotel? Okay, leave all the
Hey, Mama.
What?
You're almost ready.
Are you not going to church?
Have you forgotten I told you we're traveling back this morning? If I go to church, that means our journey will be at night. And you know I don't like driving at night. Yes. Moreover, Praise is a Roman Catholic, so I don't think she will be accustomed to our way of worship in church.
Amen.
Yes. All right. That reminds me, Mama. You've not told me your impression about her.
That girl is definitely not for you. I'm on walk on her. Hey! Over again. You must go find a woman can do it. They will go for over girls, they walk around everywhere looking for men. Coupled with the fact that this one works in a hotel, manages the hotel in Nambano. This is like bringing Akuna into your house. Because as she's managing hotel, she'll be managing the men, everything inside the house and outside the house. So I'm on walk.
Mama, what kind of talk is this now?
Shout at me. Don't even shout at me. I'm trying to be a good mother to you. As my only son, you cannot go out there and just marry anything you see. Look at that girl. A woman should wake up early in the morning and boil hot water for her husband to have a bath. What are we even talking about? Now let me tell you, this girl is not the right girl. When the right girl comes, I will know. Hotel something. Besides, she's a Roman Catholic. I am an Anglican. Okay, tell me, when you people are about to get married, which church will you go to? Or CMS going to get Konkende, father? No, answer me now. Then, when my grandchildren finally come, and I get ready to go to church with them, I say, bye-bye, we are going to Catholic. More as if I'm going to Anglican. Nam, Oman walk.
Is there any girl I have brought back to this house that you have not found fault with? Is there one I will bring that you will not find fault with?
That is because you've not found the right person. If you bring the right person, I won't come here. Once I see the person, I will know she's the right person and I will accept the person. Besides, I know what is happening to this generation. All their marriages either has a crack or breaks down. And I don't want your marriage to have any crack nor breakdown. As my only son, I want a perfect marriage for you. So I know what I'm doing. See, once you bring the right woman, once I see her, I will know. If any in Agaba, I will support you.
If you make it up, Mama no one can at your mama. Oh, if I can get a go. About what this thing can get a lead.
Oh, come here, I my cat switch.
Oh, if I can get a lead.
One for my switch, of course, one. Nonsense. Hotel manager. Or wedding. Or hotel. 2 in 1. All oh, Griffy, then no, Ukochuku, Ebele. If I can't go near.
I like him so. Our love kind of flow. Anyhow she be.
Baby, is Mama ready?
Yes, she's ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready as ready can be.
I can see.
You look sad. What's the matter?
Nothing. There's nothing to be sad about. I'm fine.
Okay. Baby, you have to go and get dressed.
Okay, let me get my stuff.
Okay. I am bigger. I'm not going to be rejected like a side of beef. Mama, you are ready? Yes.
I told you people will be going back later today.
Yes, Mama. We have to leave on time because we don't be very busy.
Oh, Maka. You will have a safe trip.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, thank you for accommodating me.
Oh, you're welcome.
I really enjoyed my stay.
Yes. It's all right. It's all right.
Mama,
Please. You're giving me? Yes. Hey. John, I don't like taking money from you.
No, Mama, you're not people now, so it's okay. Mama, you just have to, at least you can use it to get yourself some provision when the one Ikini brought for you finishes.
Hey, thank you. There's Mama, thank you. Hi, Nnem. You really know how to be nice to people.
Yes.
You know you're a good manager.
Yes.
That is why you manage people very well. In whatever capacity.
Yes.
It's all right. You can, okay. You can,
Yes.
call again.
Okay.
Call again. This one is called bribery and corruption.
Baby, what is wrong with you?
Nothing.
You can't tell me that. You've been moody since we left the village. You hardly talked to your mom before we dropped her in the church. Why? What is it?
I'm just thinking about work. It's nothing.
You know you are a poor liar, Ikini. I know you're angry because your mom does not love me.
How do you know that?
It's very obvious. Yes. I'm not a kid. I noticed it. See, Ikini, what makes a man is his ability to make a decision and stand by it. Yes. That we are going to stay together lies in you. It's me and you that is going to live together as husband and wife, not your mother. So whatever decision you take, I'm standing behind you. Yes.
Thank you.
So, share.
Stop! Hi, nurse.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Hi, thank you.
Is my sister around?
I think you should go to her office and wait for her. She went on the ward round.
Okay, then fine.
Who is he?
You mean him?
Yeah.
He's Dr. Ezine's younger brother.
Is he a doctor too?
No, he's a banker.
I didn't see any ring on his finger.
Wait, you've surveyed him? Just like that?
Yes.
Oh, no. Well,
See,
he's not yet married. Maybe you want to propose to him.
he's looking so cute. Wow, he's my kind of man.
Alright then. If truly you like him, like you say, why not talk to Dr. Ezine? She can connect you to him. Yes.
I'm going to talk to her. Seriously. He's just my kind of man. Wow. I can't wait.
Sister girl, wake up from your dreams, please. I need things to do. Continue with your work. See ya.
So what did she say?
That she's not suitable for me. She's a Roman Catholic. And she works in a hotel. And then that she's from Owerri. What's the meaning of all of those?
I should ask you that question. What is in that thing that she told you that you do not understand?
Are you supporting her?
Ekene, I know my mother. She will not see a good girl and tell you not to marry her. It's not possible.
How can you talk like this? You don't even know this girl. How can you be so emphatic about somebody you have never met?
I do not need to meet or even know her. Oh, you want to marry a girl that is from Owerri? I could know Owerri. Eh? Then a girl that is even a Roman Catholic. Eh? You want to start having children that will be fathered by different neighbors, different men that come to that hotel. Is that what you want? You cannot just wake up one morning, see a girl on the street and just pick her and say, Mama, I found a wife, I want to marry. Is that how you do it? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. All these girls are gold diggers. They will just come into family, destroy the family, and they make you look like a fool before your people. It doesn't work that way. Ekene, Mama has told you your mind. And sincerely, I am with her on that. That's simple.
All of you are impossible.
Ekene! Dikeh, can't walk.
I understand how you feel. I personally stood against other girls you brought home for reasons you are well aware of. There's no need getting upset at Ezine and Mama. If it is possible for a sister to marry a brother, Ezine would have married you herself. And don't forget you also stood against the young man she wanted to marry.
Why would she want to marry that kind of a man?
They love each other. And don't forget that the young man was a medical doctor. They could have made progress easily if they were together. Be that as it may, why don't you send your girlfriend across this weekend? Let her come and stay the weekend with us. By that I can assess her. If she's suitable, I'll talk to Mama. Maybe make her change her mind. There's no need getting upset. Just relax and eat your food. I want to go and make food for my husband. He said he would love to eat rice and stew when he comes back. So I will be busy in the kitchen. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Kwekwa. I hope she agrees to meet her. There is no... All I'm saying is, just go and stay the weekend with her. It's not an issue, it's not a big issue. So what's the big deal in going to stay with her for the weekend?
Everything, Ekene. I am not a side of beef that should be examined by everybody before it's sold. You asked me to go with you to the village. Yes, I did. Only for your mother to start behaving as if I was picked from the gutter.
Don't talk like that. Mama treated you well.
Oh, yes, she did. You think I did not overhear what you guys were saying? She said I was from Owerri. That automatically makes me an harlot. I am also a Roman Catholic, Ekene. That automatically sends me to hell because all Roman Catholic worship the devil. And I work in the hotel. Oh, that is against the gods of your land too.
Will you stop being melodramatic? That's an old woman you're talking about. You know women, you know how they behave. It's typical of them. Whenever your sons want to get married, they make sure they want to find out everything about the girl. That should be what you should hold on to. You know that. All I'm saying is, just make out time. At the end of the day, I'm the one who has a final say. I'm the one who decides who I'm getting married to. Just make out time. Go stay with my sister. So at least...
Oh, so she can assess me for her golden brother, right?
That is not true.
And if I'm found wanting in any way, she can tell you that you should drop me like a bag of fufu.
You know that is not true. They're just caring for their own. That's what it is. It's not a big deal. Honestly, left for me, there's no issue in doing this. Like I told you, I love you and you're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Okay? If this is what we're going to do to make this happen, I'll gladly do it. Why don't we just do it and let it go? Nebiko on. Biko on. Nebiko on. Please. Biko on. Biko on.
That's my husband. Praise. Praise, please help me with the gate. Didn't you hear the horn? Help me with the gate. My husband is back. Yes. Quick. And make sure you bring in whatever he comes back with. So check the boot.
She know this, she know that. As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only, my super baby. She did this house, she did that house, but I cannot leave her now. You better mind yourself, now my baby be that to you. I like her so, 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 so. I like her so. How I love good flow, flow.
You broke my plate? Hey, what happened? I'm so sorry, Auntie. I was trying to wash the plate. It fell off from the rack. I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll handle it from here.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Stop. I said it's okay. I was coming to clean the kitchen anyways. It's just a plate. You can now go and sleep. Let me handle it. Don't worry.
Auntie, please let me just finish. Come on.
Stop.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Just wash your hands.
Come down, sleep. I'm sorry.
I said it's alright.
Don't worry. I'll clean it. Boy, the girl is nothing but a bumbling idiot.
Only one night in my house, and she almost broke all the plates in my kitchen. She doesn't know how to cook nor do any other house chores. Can you imagine that my husband came back and was running at the gate? And this young lady was busy in the sitting, playing with her phone, chatting all kinds of people. I called her and called until I came and tapped her. I removed the earpiece from her ear to tell her to go and get the gate for my husband. If you see how reluctantly she stood up from my own sofa to go and get the gate, like she was the Queen Elizabeth herself. Boy, let me tell you, if that is the kind of girl you want to marry, you are completely on your own. Because Adako will not be a party to idiocy.
She know this, she know that. As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only.
I will send her phone to bring some food for you.
She did this house, she did that house, but I cannot leave her now. You better mind yourself, my baby be that to you. I like her so, 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 so. I like her so. How I love good flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. I like him so. How I love good flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living.
It does not matter for how many years you have dated my son. The bottom line here is that we all want the best for him.
This is the most heartbreaking thing I've experienced in my life, Mama.
Your life? How long can life matter? Nnem, please, how old are you?
I am old enough to know that a man that I've loved and cared for so many years, now his family decides that I'm no longer good enough for him.
I don't want to sit here and cry with you. I'm coming. Let me excuse me. I'm coming. Oh.
She know this, she know that. As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only, my super baby. She did this house, she did that house, but I cannot leave her now. You better mind yourself, now my baby be that to you. I like him so. I like him. How I love.
My daughter, you're still here. Yeah. You know, I'm a peacemaker. I am a very loving person. And I wouldn't want to get angry. So I will ask you to kindly leave my compound, please. I need to make a call. Very important.
Mama, please, can I say
Please, Biko. Listen, don't even say anything. Please, I don't want to manhandle you. Just carry your beautiful self and leave my compound, oh? Don't let the tears drop in my compound. Oh, you just catch it. Thank you. Over. Hello?
Hello, Mama.
The latest has happened.
You know? Yeah? You know? No, you're not sounding well at all. What is it? Hey, ho. What? Is she mad? Yeah? Push her out of that house. Just push her out of that compound. You have to push her out, oh. Please, let me attend to baby, oh. Biko, thank you. Oh, this cough. Umfang! Ma? Please come with the hot water. Okay. Be quick. This cough, eh? Sorry, dear. Sorry.
So, where is she now?
I don't know. She blocked me. I went to where she used to live. They said she had moved out with no forwarding address. I just couldn't locate her. I felt she had even left town because most of my friends knew us together, so she couldn't take it. She must have been terribly devastated.
It wasn't your fault, really. Besides, I feel there was something your sisters saw, which you didn't see.
What did they see? Did they see the same thing in a woman?
Who is a woman?
The second girl I should have married.
What happened again?
Another long story.
Where are you coming from?
I came to see Mama. I didn't know you were around.
I came to see Mama too.
Oh, is she in?
Yeah, she's inside.
Oh, good. Eoma, meet Ezine, my elder sister. She's a medical doctor.
Wow.
Ezine, Eoma.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go and see Mama inside.
This way. I like him so. How I love got the flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so. Our love got a flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be, live I'm for me, cause I like I'm so, 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 so. Our love got a flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be, live I'm for me, cause I like I'm so.
Hello, Ezzy.
Sister, good afternoon. I used to come here this evening.
I'm already on my way. Is there any problem?
Perfect, sister. Please, hurry up and come here now because he can't just walk in here.
Has he said anything why he wants to see us?
No. But he came in here with one girl like that, looking like one mommy water. You know, I think that is the reason.
Mommy water kwa? Yeah. Is in there.
Sister, I am not joking. You need to see this girl. She is looking obviously from the rivers. If this girl na on a cha, what I don't understand is where Ekene goes to get all this kind of girls from. He cannot just go somewhere, get a very good girl and marry a decent girl for a wife. I don't get it. He said her name is Osino. Iwoma. What kind of a frightening name is that? That name is frightening now. Is that what a name?
Iwoma. Is that an Igbo name?
Yeah. Sister Ejukwam, how would I know? I don't know.
Don't worry. When I get to the house, I will see her. Has Mama seen her yet?
I don't know. They just walked inside now. But do you know, if not for one thing, I would have stopped them from going inside. They do not say, isn't there started again. They won't enter. But just to avoid issues, I stayed back.
It's alright. Don't just do anything stupid, okay? Who knows, this one might be a decent one.
I wish. Decent. Where? Sister, come. I'm here waiting for you. Be fast. Biko. Naturally much. And you idiots. It won't mommy what I get.
You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you.
Hello. Hi.
Sorry, it's really hot.
I know. I'm hot in Ali.
Well, I've been begging for a generator since.
The one I bought for you, what have you done with it?
That engine oil that is in the bot was fake now. So
If I can get your bazi.
let me try her again.
Mama, this is the girl I told you about.
You're welcome. You know, I didn't see you very well inside. It was dark. No.
Thank you.
What is your name?
A woman.
A woman. A woman.
That's not an Igbo name.
I'm from Iselukuma.
Across the Niger.
Delta Igbo.
Oh, Mbanuna. Across the river Niger, if I didn't have Igbo.
How old is that region?
Nah, it's not Igbo. You people are different. Chai, I said it, that the name is not Igbo.
Fan Asofabia Itebeku Igbo.
Iselukuma is an Igbo name.
I'm being the Isagani.
Iselukuma is an Igbo name.
Okay. But then Isele is okay. No. Hi, alright, very well. But I said it is not really an Igbo name. It's
a woman.
Okay, woman. Okay, let me get you a chair to sit down.
No. We want to take a stroll around the village. I want to show her around.
Oh, she wants to look around the Igbo village. Can you see how many Opanakede?
Hello, you get back on that time.
Oh, Igbo Kobo.
My Igbo don't want to run.
You are to see a walk on your run, but more than what you know, Igbo.
Mom is funny. I told you she would like you. Yes, you will. So let's go, so I'll show you around.
Okay.
I need you to see the village square, like I told you before. People, some children gather.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Who is she?
She's my girlfriend, Uloma. Meet my other sister.
It's my pleasure to meet you, ma'am.
Same here. You're welcome. Come in.
Thank you.